Civil lawsuits are an essential aspect of the United States legal system, operating within both state and federal court jurisdictions. These legal processes are designed to resolve disputes between parties over legal rights and obligations, but their procedures and applications can vary significantly depending on whether the case is heard in a state or federal court. This video outlines how civil lawsuits work in both jurisdictions, highlighting their similarities and differences. Please like and subscribe if you like short nuts and bolts explainer videos. At their core, both state and federal courts handle civil cases with the foundational goal of fairly resolving disputes. The initiation of a lawsuit begins when the plaintiff files a complaint against the defendant, stating the harm caused and the legal basis for the claim. This fundamental step is consistent across state and federal systems, ensuring that all parties are aware of the allegations and have the opportunity to respond. Discovery is another critical phase common to both systems, where parties exchange information relevant to the case. This process includes depositions, requests for documents, and interrogatories. The purpose is to ensure that both sides have access to the evidence necessary to argue their case effectively, reflecting the commitment to fairness and transparency in the legal process. Moreover, both state and federal courts allow for pre-trial motions, such as motions to dismiss or for summary judgment. These motions enable the court to resolve the case or aspects of it without a full trial, based on legal principles or undisputed facts, showcasing the system's efficiency and respect for judicial resources. However, significant differences also exist between state and federal civil lawsuit procedures. One of the most notable contrasts is the jurisdictional requirements. Federal courts have limited jurisdiction, generally hearing cases that involve federal laws, disputes between citizens of different states with claims exceeding $75,000, and cases in which the United States is a party. State courts, on the other hand, have broader jurisdiction, handling most civil lawsuits, including those related to personal injury, contract disputes, and family law. The complexity and formality of procedures can also vary. Federal courts are often perceived as having stricter procedural rules and higher litigation costs. This perception is partly due to the extensive requirements for pre-trial motions, discovery processes, and adherence to the federal rules of civil procedure, which aim to maintain a high standard of justice across diverse jurisdictions. Additionally, the appeal process differs between state and federal court systems. In federal courts, appeals are made to the circuit courts of appeal and can eventually reach the U.S. Supreme Court, whereas, in state courts, appeals are typically heard by an intermediate appellate court or the state's highest court. This structural difference underscores the distinct pathways legal resolutions may follow within the two systems. Lastly, the jury selection process in federal courts is governed by a system that aims to ensure a broad and diverse jury pool, reflecting a nationwide standard. State court procedures for jury selection can vary widely, influenced by local laws and practices, which can lead to differences in jury composition and, potentially, case outcomes. In conclusion, while civil lawsuits in both state and federal courts share the overarching goal of dispute resolution through a fair legal process, the specific procedures, jurisdictional requirements, and court cultures present distinct experiences for litigants. Understanding these similarities and differences is crucial for parties involved in civil litigation, as they navigate the complexities of the American judicial system to achieve justice. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful legal content and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos.